Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning,
Fine,
sir.
sir.
Good morning.
Good morning,
What
sir.
about you, sir?
Fine. I'm also fine.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
Sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, sir?
Fine, sir.
सर बोर्ड एग्जाम कब होगा?
Board exam. There is no news about the board exam. About the previous year compartment exam, it will be on like 21st or 22nd, you can say September, up to the 30th. And we hope from the 1st October, the classes from class 9 to 12 will open. Certain, it may,
What about hostler?
what about hostlers?
Yes, sir.
Let us take, the principal sir will take some decision according to the situation.
Okay, sir.
Then, now please mute your mobile. We may start the topic. What we have learnt in the previous classes? In the previous classes, we have learnt about the metal and the metal and the non-metal, about the, you can say, activity series or the reactivity series of the metals. Is it clear?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Reactivity series we have learnt, no, by displacement reaction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then we have learnt
Sir,
about the, what happened? We have learnt about the ionic bonding.
No, sir.
No. Then we will.
How do metal and non-metal react?
That is ionic bonding. No. That we have to start. We have to start it or we have finished it.
सर स्टार्ट करना है अभी.
Start karna. Okay.
Start.
Okay. Then please mute your mobile so that background sound should not come. Only when open it when you have to ask any question. How do metal and non-metal react with each other? So student, what about the case of the helium, neon and the argon? Are they reactive element or not? Are they reactive element or not?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because they are noble gas.
They are
They are
noble
noble
gas.
gas.
नहीं दिख रहा है.
क्या clear नहीं दिख रहा है? Helium, neon, argon, it is not looking clear. It is in the middle.
Clear, sir.
Now you can say atomic number of helium is 2, neon 10, and argon 18. Electronic configuration, you have done it in class 9. 2, here 2 and 8, and here 2, 8, and then 8. If you look at the valence electron or outermost electron, then you will find that in the outermost orbit, the number of electron in the case of the helium is 2. So it is noble gas or it will not react with any other, you can say, element. In the case of the neon also, in the outermost orbit, there is 8 electrons, so octet is complete and it will not react with any other element. In the case of the argon, you will see in the outermost orbit, there is 8 electrons, so it will also not react with any other element. But if you consider the case of some other, you can say elements, like we can say sodium, magnesium, chlorine, oxygen.
Aluminium.
Huh?
Sir, aluminium.
Aluminum we can see, just we are taking the example now. Sodium 11, magnesium 12, chlorine 17, oxygen we can say how many? 8. This is sodium 281, magnesium 282, chlorine 287, and about oxygen 2 and 6. Just see here the case about the sodium. In the outermost orbit there is one. Now the octet is not completed here, because if you want that the octet should be completed, then either it should gain 7 electron, या तो इसको 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन मिल जाए तब इसका octet complete होगा. Otherwise, if it lose 1 electron, then it will form, its octet will be complete. Have you got it? अगर एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ये लूज भी करता है तब भी इसका क्या हो जाएगा 2 और 8, यानी कि आउटर मोस्ट में क्या रहेगा 8. So its octet will be completed. Have you got it? Say yes or no, यार इतना तो बोल सकते हो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now about the magnesium, about the magnesium, see 282. There is 2 possibilities that either it should lose 2 electron, या तो 2 electron lose कर दे to complete its octet, or it may gain 6 electron. It is impossible to gain 6 electron. 6 electron gain करना मुश्किल है, but it's easier to lose 2 electron. So it loses 2 electron and forms magnesium cation, Mg, and this one forms sodium cation. This is cation. Why sound is coming? Mute your mobile, otherwise I will mute from here. All of you will be sufferer. Chlorine 287. Now the condition is reversed. Either it can lose 7 electron, that is impossible. 7 electron it cannot lose. The second condition is that it can gain 1 electron and it can form, you can say, complete its octet. So it gain 1 electron and it forms, you can say, Cl minus, yeah, chloride anion. Have you got it? Minus charge is known as anion, whereas plus charge is known as cation. Have you got it? Now,
Yes,
about the oxygen, if you will see, there is 2 and 6. There is the condition, it will reach to its octet stage. If it will lose 6 electron, that is impossible. The second is that it will gain 2 electron. The second case is easily, it can, you can say, gain 2 electron. That's why it will form O and minus 2. That means oxide anion. That will be anion, that will be anion, and these two will be cation. Have you got it? So like this, the metal and the non-metal, these two are non-metal and these two are metal. In this, you can say the metal react with the non-metal to form the ionic compounds. Have you got it?
excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
oxygen class 2 होगा ना?
Which one?
दिव्या.
Which one?
दिव्या.
Which one will be plus 2?
Sir, दिव्या.
What Dibya is asking?
Cl.
Yes, sir.
Dibya, what you are asking?
सर ऑक्सीजन पे हम बोले प्लस 2 होगा कि माइनस
नहीं,
2?
-2 बेटा यहाँ लगा हुआ है, क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन का 6 है ना आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिट में. अगर 6 है तो
Yes,
6 इलेक्ट्रॉन ये लूज नहीं कर सकता है. ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा तो -2 लगेगा, इट विल फॉर्म ऑक्साइड एनायन।
ओके सर।
This type of bond, if it is formed, then it is known as electrostatic bond. The bond formed between
mobile.
metal
Mute your mobile. Mute your mobile.
and non-metal are known as ionic bonding. Or electrostatic.
थोड़ा हॉट ये लिख लें।
हाँ बेटा लिखो, आराम से लिखो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। देखिए, द बॉन्ड फॉर्म्ड बिटवीन द मेटल एंड द नॉन मेटल आर नोन एज आयोनिक बॉन्डिंग और इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक बॉन्डिंग। यानी कि जो बॉन्ड मेटल और नॉन मेटल के बीच में बनता है उसको हम लोग आयोनिक बॉन्डिंग कहते हैं या इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक बॉन्डिंग कहते हैं। देयर इज, यू कैन से टोटली,
What is mean by electrostatic?
electrostatic, that means the bond formed by the, you can say, cation and the anion. cation और anion के बीच में जो बॉन्ड बनता है उसी को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक बॉन्ड कहते हैं। cation आपको अभी भी बताएं जिसके ऊपर प्लस चार्ज हो, एंड द anion विच हैव द नेगेटिव चार्ज। इन दोनों के बीच में जब आपका बॉन्ड बनेगा तो इसको इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक बॉन्डिंग कहेंगे।
बॉन्ड कैसे बनेगा?
हाँ,
बॉन्ड कैसे?
many sounds are coming. Yes, sir. Other than asking the question, no sound should come. Please make it sure.
Sir, bond कैसे बनेगा?
What is your name? First of all, tell me your name.
Yeah.
Can anybody tell me who is that girl asking? Huh?
खुशी।
Khushi sir, Khushi Singh. Yes sir.
Khushi is asking. Khushi,
सर
you are asking.
Yes sir.
That is the way of asking. Sir, bond कैसे बनेगा?
Sir, network problems हो जाता है।
That is not network problem, beta. If you have to ask the question, ask in a proper manner. I will tell you about the bond कैसे बनेगा, how the bond will form after giving the example. Example के साथ ना समझ में आएगा कि bond कैसे बनेगा. We will take the example of sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, then we will get the idea how the bond will form. Have you written?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us take the example. The question asked by you, bond कैसे बनेगा? How the bond will be formed between a metal and the non-metal. We are taking the example like here sodium, Na. Electronic, you can say atomic number is 11. Electronic configuration will be 2, 8 and 1. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
2, 8, 1.
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
If it will lose.
Zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold.
Who is this talking? Now see, here it loses one electron and forms sodium cation. Sodium cations means the number of electron will become 2 and 8 because one electron will be lost by it. Have you got it? Have you got it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
This sodium atom does not have the octet complete, but sodium cation have the octet complete. You got it? Now, if you talk about the chlorine, chlorine means 17. That means 2, 8 and 7. 2, 8 and 7. If this one electron is taken by the chlorine atom, then it will get, you can say, chlorine atom. Then it will form chloride anion. And its, you can say, number of electron will become 2, 8, 8. One electron is increasing, so 2, 8, 8 instead of 2, 8, 7. So it will become chloride anion. Have you got it? Now,
Yes, sir.
the bond form will be in this manner, like Na, and one electron for the Na, here we are showing it, and the other one is chlorine. Chlorine have in the outermost orbit how many electrons? 7. 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6, 1, 7. And one electron sodium will transfer from here to here. So it will become Na plus and Cl minus. Or you can say right here, Na plus Cl minus, or this plus minus will cancel and we can simply write it NaCl.
NaCl.
Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
In this manner, the metal and the non-metal forms the compound. You can write it. See?
दिख नहीं रहा है सर।
क्या नहीं दिख रहा है बेटा? अब दिख रहा है?
सर दिख रहा है।
ठीक, नोट कर लीजिए। Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I read it?
Okay.
Let us take one more example. Which one? MgCl2, magnesium chloride. What about the magnesium? Magnesium, atomic number is 12. That means 2, 8, and 2. So it will forms magnesium cation, and the cation has the charge +2 because it will lose 2 electrons. Have you got it? 2 electrons are extra, so
Yes,
it will lose 2 electrons. If we'll talk about the chlorine, the same thing is discussed earlier. 2, 8, and 7. It will gain 1 electron. It will not gain 2 electrons. It will gain 1 electron. And it will form chloride anion, which have only 1. Have you got it? Whose
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
electronic configuration will be 288. Now, how does the reaction in between these two, magnesium and the chlorine, happen? Just see here. Magnesium, if we'll talk about this, magnesium have 2 electrons in its outermost orbit. It have 2 electrons. The cross are showing the symbol that it have 2 electrons. Now about the chlorine, if you will talk, then take here 1 chlorine. Chlorine have how many? 7. 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 8, 6, 1, 7. And 1, this electron will be transferred to here. It will become 8. Have you got it? And if you second the chlorine, second chlorine,
yes, sir.
it will have 2, 4, then 6, 1, 7, and 1 will be transferred from here to here. That means with 1 magnesium, 2 chlorine will be attached. That means the magnesium will transfer 1 electron to this chlorine and 1 electron to this chlorine. Have you got it? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
It will form magnesium Mg +2 and then Cl chlorine. What is the chlorine charge? -1, no?
Amrita Didi.
Huh? Chlorine -1. And how many chlorine are there total? 2. So that will be the formula. Say. Huh? Where you are sitting, the network problem is so much.
सर
हाँ से
वहाँ पे मैग्नीशियम पे क्या लिखे हैं? प्लस
मैग्नीशियम पे +2 लिखे बेटा.
नहीं, ऊपर वाला,
ऊपर वाला यहाँ भी ना,
नीचे, उसके नीचे.
उसके नीचे ये वाला.
यस सर.
These I have mentioned the electron. 2 electron are there, no? 1 electron it is giving to this chlorine and 1 electron it is giving to this chlorine. That means 1 electron it is giving to the 2 chlorine. That's why there is 2 chlorine and it is giving 1 electron to the both of the.
सर अगर वहाँ पे 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन होता तो?
कहाँ पे?
जहाँ पे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन हुआ है, लिखा गया है ऊपर.
तो जैसे एल्युमिनियम का केस आ गया, एल्युमिनियम के पास 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ठीक ना? तो वो बनाएगा तो वो बनाएगा AlCl3. ये 3 क्लोरीन को एक इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
ओके, so write it.
Thank you, sir.
Now which one among this MgCl2, which one is cation and which one is anion?
Sir, Mg is cation and
Correct.
Cl is anion.
Very correct. It may be asked.
सर Mg कैटायन और Cl
Cl anion.
एनायन.
जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा वो cation होगा, नहीं. Okay, maybe rub it.
Yes, sir.
यस सर. यस सर. लिख लिए.
तनु गुप्ता. आर यू लिसनिंग?
ये कैटायन है और ये एनायन है।
कैटायन जिसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो कैटायन है, जिसके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज हो एनायन है। सिंपल थिंग। तनु गुप्ता, आर यू लिसनिंग?
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
are you?
sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
You are understanding?
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Rohit Pal?
Yes,
Is there any problem?
sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Say yes sir or no sir? No sir. Shivangi Tiwari?
No, sir. No any doubt.
No any doubt. Durgesh Gautam? Durgesh Gautam?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? बेटा कोई दिक्कत है इसमें अब तक जो पढ़ाया गया? Yes say.
अभी
Your voice is not clear. Okay, Angad. Angad, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Angad Gupta.
Yes, sir.
But are you listening? Is there any doubt up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. May I rub it? May I rub this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please stop murmuring sound. Please stop murmuring sound here. It is not a fish market. Let us take one more example of magnesium oxide. Let me give one more example, then you will ask the question. Magnesium oxide, MgO. You are knowing the formula? MgO, magnesium oxide. Now, about the magnesium, what the discussion between you, all of you are going on. Please avoid your discussion. Now mute your mobile, please. Mute your mobile. Now see here, magnesium 12, 2, 8 and 2. It will be your Mg plus 2 and it will lose 2 electrons, as I have told you earlier. I have told you, no, while the formation of magnesium chloride. Now in the case of the oxygen, the atomic number is 8. There will be 2 and 6. And there will be, you can say, gain of 2 electrons. That is lost by the magnesium. And it will form is oxide. O minus 2, that means anion. Now, how the bond is formed in between these two? If you want to see it, you can see Mg. You can say here, if you take 2 electron, and about the oxygen, if you take 2 to 4 to 6, and these two will be transferred by the magnesium, and it will form as Mg. Since magnesium is transferring 2 electron plus 2 and oxygen is receiving 2 electron, that means minus 2. This plus 2, say, this plus 2 and minus 2 will be cancelled with each other and the formula will be your MgO, magnesium oxide. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
बेटा समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us see.
और
हाँ
जब हम mg लिखते हैं तो mg को पहले क्यों लिखते हैं?
हाँ, that is written in class 9, that is discussed in class 9 while writing any compound. किसी भी कंपाउंड का फॉर्मूला लिखने से पहले we have to write the metal on the left hand side and the non metal on the right hand side. It is a you can say law of the chemistry. Chemistry का एक नियम है कि metal on the left hand side and the non metal on the right hand side.
सर
हाँ
तो जो मैग्नीशियम +2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लिखे हैं ना,
Mg+2 and O-2 ना,
वो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो लिखे हैं ना +2 इलेक्ट्रॉन,
हाँ +2 इलेक्ट्रॉन मैग्नीशियम के साथ,
तो ऑक्सीजन में क्या लिखेंगे?
-2 ना,
-2 लिखेंगे ना?
it is gaining 2 electron, 2 electron ले रहा है, so it will be -2. Have you got it?
-2 इलेक्ट्रॉन.
-2 electron.
Yes.
One is giving
Thank
and
you.
the other is taking. The taking one
Yes,
is
sir.
minus and the giving one is plus. That's why giving one is known as cation and receiving one is known as anion.
सर
Okay,
एक
sir.
बार
Thank you.
एल्युमिनियम के साथ बता देंगे.
Aluminium to write.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ से
सर एल्युमिनियम के साथ एक बता दीजिए.
बता दे रहे. You have written this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aluminium 13 atomic number 2, 8 and 3. 8 and 3 electronic configuration, and it will, you can say, lose how many electrons?
3 electrons.
3 electrons. So it will form aluminium
Al +3.
plus 3 and plus 3 electrons.
Electrons.
Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, if you react with the chlorine, chlorine means 17. That is 2, 8 and 7.
7.
And it will gain only 1 electron. It will get only 1 electron and it will form chloride anion. Cl minus, it will form as 2A. What you are murmuring? Now see here how the, you can say, reaction occur here. Aluminium 3, 1, 2 and 3. If we are taking about the chlorine, we will discuss here. By taking the chlorine, how many? 7, 2, 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, and this 1 electron, it will be donated by the aluminium. Second one, chlorine, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 6, 6, 1, 7, and 1 electron will be donated by the aluminium. Now take the third chlorine, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 1, 7, and 1 electron will be donated by the aluminium. So their 3 electrons are donated by the aluminium. You can write it like this: Al plus 3.
सर जितना इलेक्ट्रॉन रहेगा उतना ही क्लोराइड को लेंगे या फिर क्लोरीन को?
क्लोराइड की क्षमता केवल 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने की है, तो उतना ही लेना पड़ेगा. Now Al plus 3, and about the Cl, if you will write, Cl have the capacity of only getting to take only 1 electron, no? So you will write -1, -1. And while you are writing the -1, in the downside, you will write how many chlorine are attached with one atom of the aluminum? 3. You will write 3. You will get here Al, this 3 will cancel with this 3. This 3 will be cancelled with this 3. And it will form AlCl3. Got it? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we will just see the properties of the ionic compound. I think the time is running out. Let's
एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड का बता दीजिए.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ से
टाइम कम है.
वहाँ पर क्लोरीन के पास 3 लिखे हैं और एल्युमिनियम के पास +2 लिखे हैं ना.
हाँ +3 है.
Excuse me, sir.
एल्युमिनियम का चार्ज आपका ये +3 है, ठीक ना?
Yes,
इसका
sir. वो
चार्ज
तो
है.
पता है.
और इसके अलावा ये क्लोरीन ये दिखा रहा है कि that is the number of the chlorine atom attached with the one atom of the aluminium. So the formula will come aluminium 1 and chlorine equal to 3rd, यानी कि AlCl3.
Okay, sir.
एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड.
एल्युमिनियम ऑक्साइड,
Al2O3.
एल्युमिनियम ऑक्साइड का होता है Al2O3. That's your homework. इसको चलो बना करके दिखाना आप.
Al2O3.
Yes. The same thing about the oxygen you are knowing. It can maximum take 2 electrons. About the you are knowing, it can maximum give 3 electrons. The formula is Al2O3. That
सर
means
मेटल और नॉन मेटल हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से पहचान लेंगे.
हाँ?
मेटल और नॉन मेटल को इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से पहचान सकते हैं.
Yes. Of course. If there is 1, 2 in the outermost orbit or the 3 electron in the outermost orbit, then they are metal. If not, if they are 4, 5, 6, 7, then they are non-metal.
Non-metal.
It is taught in class 9. 9th में बताया गया था आपको ये सारे चीज, but you have not taken care.
सर. ओके सर, थैंक यू.
बोर्ड एग्जाम्स 15 फरवरी.
No, beta, who have told you? There is no assumption of the half yearly. You are telling about board exam.
स्कूल खुलेगा?
Yes, of course, we think from the 1st October.
31.
Huh? From 1st October.
September.
No, October. In the September it will open, but for the compartment exam. And from the 1st October, we think that from 9 to 12 the classes will start running.
कंटिन्यू रहेगा.
हाँ?
सर 10th का फॉर्म हो रहा है फिलअप.
10th का अभी नहीं, 9th का ये और 11th का registration is going on. And about the
सर ये क्या मैसेज आया है 10th का मतलब फिलअप करने के लिए 15 सितंबर
ऐसा करके कुछ मैसेज तो आए हैं.
क्या मैसेज?
हेलो सर.
What message is there?
बोला गया ना कि मतलब फॉर्म फिलअप